Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 27. I'm going to quickly go over what we're doing this week. So last week we were working on calculations for loads. This week we're going to take a pause on that just to get back into some of our stuff dealing with our Keystone Library Revit file. I want to get in there and fully start putting things in, like walls, specific areas dealing with the different areas you have to have in the library. All those things that we went over for, what was it, week 24? I had you do rough sketches about where you wanted to put all of the different places in the library. So now we're going to start putting those things in. But before we do that, we do have to put some flooring in for our second floor because currently there is no flooring. And maybe the first floor as well, depending on what is currently in there. But we'll go over that in class. But on Schoology, you will see the 3.2.8 Commercial Foundations PowerPoint. I would like you to check that out. And you're going to be taking notes of sorts on it, but it's more of a worksheet that you're going to be filling out. And any information that you can't find on the PowerPoint, you are welcome to Google and find information that way. But you're going to be filling out a chart, and you're going to be putting in the usage of that foundation as well as a diagram/sketch. Again, I don't expect you to sketch it yourself. You can find those online. But use the PowerPoint, help you fill this out. And then you're going to answer a few questions down here at the bottom. Visiting a website, and is the Keystone Library renovation site in A zone or V zone? And how does this affect your building design? So you're going to be working on that. And then you'll be going in and we will be putting in our we'll be putting in the different areas for the Keystone Library. I have the list of things that you must include, the designated areas, on your document. And you'll be inserting screenshots of both floor plans. But remember, we're going in. We've got to first put in, it looks like a floor on our, is that a floor? I don't think so. Nope. We got to put a floor on our second story. And let me see what's on our first. And we'll probably need to put some sort of floor on our first, or floor type either, if you want a wood floor or anything like that. We do also need to go, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to have to draw walls around our I-beams or our columns, because right now they're concrete. We can enclose them in regular, drywall. You could leave them concrete if that's the style you're going for, but I would recommend we're going to end up wrapping them. So that is what we are working on today. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.